complaint, the customer say that when it start to run, it has a loud noise and grinding like this. What it means that the bearing and the fan motors goes off balance, hitting the housing. You need to replace the whole housing, the motor. Unusual noise or loud noise coming from your furnace. You don't know what to do. Contact Gongmeng 651-230-6028. I brought the new one. This is the housing. This is called the wheel. And this is the motor. Okay, look. See, it's spinning smooth. No grinding noise. Versus this one. Yes, replace with this new one. So two screws on the top. All right, detach this piece, upper piece, with the floor liner. Take out the connection of the pressure switch. It's 516. This will come off like this. This is the old one. It looks identical. Here's the new one on the right. This top piece from the old one, you need to take it out and transfer to the new. And clean that a little bit. Just move to here. Okay, move the old one back in the box. And this seal, you can leave it on. This is the installation, so no air leak on the sides. And also inside here, make sure the inside here is nice clean before you mounting the new parts. The new one just going back. Adjust the top portion. The nylon go inside. Adapter. Make sure all the holes are lined up. I start with one screw first, so it stay in place. Okay, then you adjust, line up the rest of the hole, and the full liner. Make sure it fit inside, outside the adapter. But connection now wires. See the top with the flow liner and connect to the adapter. Bottom is the housing and the motor and the fan motor all together, all connected. So ready for the testing. Ignition. Beautiful.